Hey there, Lynn here, and I'm back with a DIY Ayurvedic smoothie bowl deep conditioner that was inspired by Fusions of Cultures here on YouTube. The first thing I'm going to be using is 1 can of organic coconut milk. Coconut milk contains vitamins such as vitamin C, E, B1, B3, B5. Girl, it is basically a great superfood for your natural hair and scalp. Next, I will be using 1 tablespoon of hibiscus powder, which is going to help prevent hair loss, premature graying, lessen the frizz, and also promotes hair growth. I'm also going to use 1 tablespoon of honey, which is a humectant that's going to draw in the moisture and give me really soft and even more manageable hair. You can even add more oils of choice and even more powders if you would like, but all I'm going to do right now is keep it simple and just mix it on up. Right, y'all, I am just like very curious to see how this deep conditioner, this DIY smoothie bowl conditioner, is going to work on my hair. So my hair is also freshly shampooed and conditioned. The products I use will be in the description box below. Automatically, I just started to feel my hair kind of like tense up. Like my hair was kind of like, whoa, what is this? What is this, Lynn? Nevertheless, it does feel like an awesome protein treatment. Can say is be careful about how and where you apply the deep conditioner, y'all, because it gets all over the place. Like, child, I am dripping all over here like it was wool coming down my head and all of that stuff. But I am going to go and process this with heat for 25 minutes. Show y'all me with the processing cap on, of course, because it's, you know, it's only right. And I am going to be back once I have it all rinsed out and let y'all know what are my thoughts. So yeah, my friend, keep on watching. That I feel like the coconut milk made the overall smoothie bowl deep conditioner really runny. So I suggest that whenever you do try it, or if you do get a chance to do it, try it in the shower, because if you do it outside the shower, it will be very runny, unless you just use mainly the thickness of the coconut milk and not much of the coconut water. So you'll have a better kind of, like, I'll say, weight to your deep conditioner, because mine was really running like a conditioner, because I use like the whole can. Now, if you are color treated natural, I would say take heed to being a little bit more mindful about trying this deep conditioner out, because it may stain your color, especially if you have any color that's not like red. You may get some type of tint to your hair, being that it does have real hibiscus in it. And if you want even more of a boost, I do suggest that you use any type of oil that you really love. I wanted to try the extra virgin olive oil, but I didn't, because extra virgin olive oil does strip the hair color, and I do have permanent color on my hair, so I did not want to strip my hair color, so I didn't put no extra virgin olive oil in it, even though I was so tempted to. But I am very pleased. I'm very pleased. My hair is really soft, and I was a little nervous because I am protein sensitive, but since I have not did any type of protein treatment in, I'll say like 4 months, yeah, this one came right on time. So I am going to go ahead on and do my wash and go. And if you just don't know anything about how my wash and goes be coming out, I will have a video just linked in the cards up above for you to watch. And I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you have tried one of the Ayurvedic deep conditioners, let me know. You put in your homemade deep conditioners, and let me know, have you ever even tried a DIY smoothie bowl deep conditioner? I want to know. Okay, so let's get the conversation popping in the comment box below. And remember this, to keep God first in your life and in everything that you do, and the results will always follow. I'm signing on out of this piece, y'all. Have a blessed one, and bye bye.